Welcome to AutoPlan Workshop Management Software. I'm briefly going to show you some of the features of AutoPlan that will make the running of your workshop simpler and easier. Work in progress job cards are where we access existing jobs. We can have any number of jobs and can sort them according to these tabs. By clicking on Reg Num tab, job cards are sorted according to their registration number, and type in the registration. AutoPlan drills down to that section, making searching easier. We can view additional information of the job over here, such as telephone number, contact person, and so on. We can link photos or failure reports to a job card, which are instantly accessible. This is handy to record damage to a component or vehicle. Click on New to create a new job card. We can enter the information in a number of ways. By typing in the vehicle registration number, AutoPlan searches the history to populate the job card with the client and vehicle particulars. Alternatively, we can click on this button. This brings up a window of all your clients, which we can search according to these tabs. Searching is quick and easy, and once we have the clients and vehicle details highlighted, we simply copy it over to the job card with this button. We need to specify the salesman of the job. This would be the person who opens up the job card. Customer instructions are typed in this block and appear on the job card and invoice. Labor can be added in many ways. One of them is the powerful flat rate system unique to AutoPlan. Simply select the category and all possible labor items for that category appear on this list. Select as many items as you want and copy over onto the job card with this button over here. It is neatly displayed on the labor browse with totals calculated. A workshop manager would like to know which artisan or mechanic was responsible for a specific labor item. By linking the artisan to labor, the value of the labor item is allocated to that artisan. This allows you to view the productivity of your artisan by simply capturing the date and time taken to complete the task. You can also add any remarks the mechanic may make, and this becomes very handy in the future. Parts can be added in a number of ways. One of the ways is to use the price lists. You can have any number of price lists of any length provided by your supplier. Once your price list is open, it can be sorted according to part number or description. Go down the list and enter the quantities of the items you want on your job card and copy over. The annexure is a free type area where you would typically type a failure report or any additional information that you would like to bring to the attention of your customer. Another use is when your customer supplies his own parts and you would want to provide him with a list of parts required. A powerful feature of AutoPlan is that you can print various documents. For example, the workshop instruction sheet, or a safety checklist, or documents can be customized to suit your requirements. Any payments received towards this job can be allocated in a very simple manner. Select your transaction type and capture the amount being paid, followed by the method of payment. When printing the invoice, the program does a number of checks. In this instance, the odometer reading was not entered. Once you have entered in the required information, you can then continue to print the invoice with options to email or fax. Note that labor and parts are printed separately. This makes it easier for your customer to understand the invoice. Completed job cards are kept under Job Cards Invoiced. Again, we can sort the list according to various tabs. Another powerful feature of AutoPlan is that you can have instant access to the purchase history of any part, irrespective of how long ago it was bought. If you want to view the service history of a particular vehicle, search according to the vehicle registration number, and all jobs relating to that vehicle are grouped together and displayed. This concludes the brief tour of AutoPlan for garages and service centers. There is obviously a lot more to AutoPlan. Please feel free to contact us for more information.